How to log out of DoorDash on all devices. If you've been wondering how to log out of your DoorDash account on all devices, maybe you've used multiple devices or just want to be extra secure. Today's tutorial will show you exactly how to do that. So let's get started. First, open the DoorDash app on your phone, or if you're using a computer, you can also simply go to DoorDash website and simply log into your account. Once you're logged in, simply tap on three horizontal bars in the top left corner of the screen to open the main menu. Or alternatively, if you cannot find that, you can simply go to the account tab and simply go to the settings option over there. Now in your account settings, scroll all the way down and you'll see the option to log out. Simply log out of the current device. Now to log out of DoorDash on all devices, you will find an option that says log out from all devices in your account settings. Simply click on that. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm that you want to log out from all devices. Simply confirm this action and just like that, you'll be signed out of DoorDash on every device.